Our activities for today. These are the words that you learned in 3rd grade. These are the words that you learned in 4th grade. And these are the words that we are going to learn during this year. But look, there are some words that you already know, like pizza, honey. Maybe you don't know the meaning of chopsticks. Let's see what's the meaning of that. Activity number 1. What am I? So let's have a look at these definitions and we're going to find the words inside the wheel. A clever insect called a bee makes me. What does the bee make? Honey, that's right. So we copy the word honey and we write it here. You continue with the rest of the definitions. Number 2, look at the picture, read the definitions and write the answers. Let's have a look at the picture. All the items have the names. So let's read this. Letter C. You eat Chinese food with these. So what do we need to eat Chinese food? We need the chopsticks. That's right. The chopsticks are los palitos chinos. Activity number 3. Read and guess what Julia is talking about. So there are 2 definitions, number 1, number 2, and in number 1 she's talking about spaghetti or pasta. Is she talking about sandwiches or French fries? What do you think? So read the definition and tell me if she's talking about sandwiches, for example. Complete the sentences about the other food. Okay, there is one of these 3 foods. You are going to complete here the definition. To make this, you need. So we have to wait. If you didn't use French fries, for example, we need what? Potatoes, which maybe we cut into pieces. And what do we do with the fries? Activity number 5. What can you see? What can you see here in the picture? You have to read the sentences and we're going to complete with some of these words. Remember that if you don't remember how to write some of these words, we go back to the beginning because all the words that you need are here, or maybe some of them are here. But all the words are in the booklet. So let's see. I often have a plin 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 of lemonade after a ride on my racing bike. I often have a glass, maybe a glass of lemonade. Activity number 6, put the recipe in order. Write the instructions to prepare a honey cake. This is the recipe and we have to put it in order. So what do you think is number 1? Break the eggs, add the sugar, cut the butter. When you finish enumerating the steps in the recipe, we write the actual recipe. First, we add the sugar. Then we cut the butter. That's it.